Okay, I want to show you guys how you can check very quickly on your progress on each of the modules in Modern Teacher. So when you go to the dashboard or the home page, if you scroll down, you probably will not have all of the things I have here, but you will definitely have personal stats. So it defaults to all modules in Modern Teacher. So what you want to do is you want to go to the ones that we've gone to. So one of the ones that the one that we started last year was Architect of Learner-Centered Culture. So I can see if I'm looking at my personal stats, I have completed that module's literacy. If I go to fluency, you'll see that I've started the fluency but haven't finished. I can't finish the fluency because I'm not a classroom teacher. But yours should be green if you have finished. Or if you're working on it, it should be in progress. If you've not ever opened or worked in the module, it will be gray as not started. So you do the same thing for Architect of Digital Learning Environment. So if I look at myself, I can go back, make sure I switch to literacy, and I can see in my personal stats that I've completed the literacy, but again, I'm not a classroom teacher, so I can't demonstrate fluency using that rubric with students and with a Canvas page or a Google Classroom page. To see the rigor relevance, you need to go way down to Rigor and Relevance in Newton Conover Part 2. Because if you remember, Part 1 is fluency only, or literacy only. You can look at the first part. This is just the literacy. And it shows you that I have completed the literacy. I can also go to the literacy of Part 2 as well as the fluency of Part 2 to see where I stand on that. If I did look at this and go, wow, I'm in progress or not started, if I want to see how far I've come, I can go to My District PL, specifically for the rigor relevance. For the other ones, you go to Modern Teacher PL. And I can go and look and see. If it has a green check, then I have completed that section of the module. In terms of the fluency, if I have a green check, I have completed it. So that's how you know. I will go and show you one that I've actually not completed so you can kind of see. So, for example, we were just talking about how procedures, how I can't do that with my kids. So here you can see that I've completed the literacy. I've actually completed the first part of the fluency in thinking through what a teacher would do, but I cannot continue these pieces because I don't have students. So this is kind of the way that you can tell if you have gotten it completed or not. If it's completely gray like these, you have not opened it and started it. So that's just sort of the way that you can see here I'm halfway through one module. So that's kind of the way you can check on your own progress. Kind of a 20,000 foot overview is through the dashboard, again, by just the start page, scrolling all the way to the bottom. And then to dig a little bit deeper, you can go here to the Modern Teacher PL for the DLE or the Learner-Centered Culture modules, or to My District PL for the Rigor and Relevance module. And that should help you kind of determine where you are in terms of your work.